Unlock the future of aviation maintenance and safety with blockchain technology. Join us as we take flight into the world of decentralized ledger systems, where every maintenance log, part replacement, and inspection is securely recorded and transparently shared. Discover how blockchain is revolutionizing aircraft maintenance, enhancing safety, and paving the way for a new era of innovation in the skies. In an industry where safety and precision are paramount, the aviation sector is constantly seeking innovative solutions to enhance aircraft maintenance and safety standards. Blockchain, a game-changer poised to transform the way maintenance records are managed and aircraft safety is ensured. Now, as we delve into the intersection of blockchain and aviation, exploring how this cutting-edge technology is reshaping maintenance practices and revolutionizing safety protocols in the skies. In the past, aircraft maintenance relied on manual record-keeping systems, leaving room for errors and inefficiencies. But now blockchain technology is changing the game. With its decentralized ledger system, every maintenance activity is securely recorded and transparently shared among stakeholders. Imagine a world where maintenance logs are immutable, compliance reporting is automated, and supply chain management is seamless. That's the power of blockchain in aviation. Blockchain ensures the integrity of maintenance records, reducing the risk of errors and oversights. Real-time data sharing allows for timely decision-making, improving aircraft safety and efficiency. Already, airlines and maintenance providers around the world are leveraging blockchain to streamline operations and enhance safety standards. But the journey doesn't stop here. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, so too will its applications in aviation. From predictive maintenance to digital twin technology, the possibilities are endless. As we soar into the future of aviation, one thing is clear. Blockchain is set to revolutionize aircraft maintenance and safety, ensuring a smoother, safer journey for passengers and crews alike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And of course, let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below.